it's Fernanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an awesome collab with a ton of awesome teacher YouTubers. And we are all going to be talking about 5 things we need to survive the school year as teachers. So thank you so much, Kate, the sleepy teacher, for organizing this collab. Alright, so first off, if you're coming from other channels and you haven't been watching my videos, then let me just introduce myself real quick. My name is Fernanda, I'm 23 years old, and I'm a first-year teacher teaching kindergarten in Arizona. Alright, so the first thing I need to survive the school year is a very good, strong support system. If you are a teacher, then you know that being a teacher is not easy. In fact, it's pretty hard. You have to juggle so many things at once, and you work so much. At least for me, work does not end when my contract hours are up. I do not go home at 2:45. I usually stay pretty late. I would say maybe like 4:30, 5, sometimes 6, and I'm just in my classroom just doing so much work. Like, I can be organizing things, I can be filing things, creating things, getting things for the week, and so on and so forth. So having all of these things going on at once can be very overwhelming and thus kind of discouraging, because you might think or might feel that you're not doing a good enough job. Sometimes you are your worst critic. So having that support system to remind you or to make you see what good of a job you're doing is really important. So your support system can go ahead and remind you or make you see that you're actually doing a really good job, and then instead of feeling discouraged and feeling like you're not good enough, you can start feeling the opposite and feeling excited and ready to go for the next day. Alright, so the next thing is actually 3 things. So they are Teachers for Teachers, Amazon, and YouTube. Surviving the school year without these 3 resources would be very, very, very hard in my opinion. Over time, I have placed countless purchases on Amazon Prime and Teachers Pay Teachers. Teachers Pay Teachers is amazing because you can find literally anything and everything, and it's even more awesome when you find a seller on TPT that has a similar teaching style that you do, because the resources will just fit really well into your classroom. Amazon Prime is just amazing because you get 2-day shipping, and for me at least, sometimes I'm doing a project or something and then I forget that I don't have what I need, so then I just go ahead and order on Amazon Prime and it's at my doorstep in 2 days. So I love Amazon Prime. And lastly, YouTube. With a teacher YouTuber community growing, it is so awesome to see different teachers and their styles and their ideas in the classroom and outside of the classroom. I think it's a great way to collaborate that has never really been done before, but now that it's growing, it's just so awesome to be a part of. Alright, so the third thing I need to survive the school year is having something to look forward to. You go to the gym every day and you look forward to that. Maybe you have plans on the weekend and you look forward to that. And for me, it's similar to that. So on the weekends is when I see my boyfriend, or I guess now fiance, and we always go out to eat. After we eat, we go out to get ice cream or coffee, and then we hang out a little bit. And that is something that I look forward to every single week. So when I'm having a bad week, even though I really haven't had one, or I'm having a week that feels really long, or I'm really tired or something like that, I have the weekend to look forward to because I'm looking forward to that particular day. So I don't know, it just kind of helps. Alright, so the 4th thing I need to survive the school year is knowing when to turn off my teacher brain. This is actually, I'm still kind of working on, but I feel like I'm getting a little bit better and it's making things a lot easier. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, it is not easy to become a teacher because you juggle so many things at once and you tend to work so many more hours than just 40 hours a week. It hit me really hard during the month of December, and more specifically the last 2 weeks of December. I was just so incredibly tired, and I'm sure you could see that from my vlogs that I posted in December. So now I'm slowly learning to just not to work when I don't need to. That way I don't burn myself out and I keep loving this profession as much as I do. And lastly, the 5th thing is remembering why you became a teacher. So like I've said many times in this video, teaching is hard and it can be discouraging sometimes, and sometimes teachers get burned out. But I think it's important to just take a step back when that is happening and just try to remember why you became a teacher. And I'm sure there are many, many reasons, but it's very important to just think back to why you started and make sure that you still feel that way. And if you find that you don't feel that way anymore, you don't feel super excited anymore, then think of ways of how you can feel that excitement again. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, there won't be a vlog until next week. I actually didn't really vlog after like Tuesday because I had a super busy week, which I will tell you about in next week's vlog. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.